In this video, I'll explain how to create particles and trails that flow over the surface of a 3D object, using the TOX files available on Patreon. On this channel, I also post short tutorial videos mainly focused on TouchDesigner. I'd be glad if you subscribe to the channel. Project files and exclusive files are also available on Patreon. If you found this tutorial helpful, I would greatly appreciate your support there. We're going to drag and drop Surface Particle Generator Scene TOX. Double-click it and go inside the component. In the Basics tab, you can set the number of particles, the particle size, how much the 3D object is optimized, the feedback reset, the display of the source geometry and the boundary size. In the Flow tab, you can control the particle flow in detail. We're going to use the switch pop to change the input geometry. Any parts outside the boundary will be deleted, and the geometry will break, so please adjust it so that everything fits inside the boundary. At this point, it is useful to turn on the boundary display. Load your preferred 3D file into the file in SOP. For this, I recommend choosing a file that is as low poly as possible. Adjust the 3D file so that it fits inside the boundary. Double-click it and go inside the component. Delete the existing camera settings, and add a camera comp. Adjust the camera position as you like. Here, we're setting the particle flow in detail. Adjust the Luma blur top and bloom top as you like. Adjust the particle color as you like. Personally, I like setting the surface projection value to around 0.25. I also adjusted the camera position and other settings. Next, we're going to drag and drop Surface Trail Generator Scene TOX. Double-click it and go inside the component. Just like before, load the 3D file. Just like before, adjust the geometry so that it fits inside the boundary. Double-click it and go inside the component. Just like before, adjust the camera as you like. In the Trails tab, you can set the radius and taper. Adjust the trails using the same process as before. Adjust the trail color as you like.